Public Affairs and Public Service, Charlie Mendoza Exclusive.
Hello everyone, my name is Charlie Mendoza, and we're broadcasting direct live from Quezon City, Philippines. Welcome to another edition of Charlie Mendoza Exclusive via Reporters TV. And we would like to invite everybody to monitor our show. This is for you guys all over the world, lalo na po yung mga Pilipino na nanonood sa atin saan man pong dako ng mundo. And I would like to introduce the special guest of our show. She is the president based in the US. And she is also the president, founder, CEO of Chelsea or Chels Beauty Wellness and Product Trading here in the Philippines. Dito po tayo ngayon magpo-focus sa kasalukuyang sitwasyon ng ating bansa. We are on alert level 3 because of the Omicron or the COVID variant na talaga po namang naka-apekto sa ating lahat. And there are rumors na baka mag-total lockdown. Kaya samantalahin na po natin ang pagkakataon na mabigyan po tayo ng mga alternative solutions. Sakali magkaroon po ng kakulangan ng pagkain, communications, and others. Essential na pangangailangan po ng ating mga kababayan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have here with us in the studio Queen of Cebu City, Doktora Chelsea Tumakit. Magandang araw po sa inyo. Welcome po sa ating show.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Charlie Mendoza, for having the show. And I think it is very, very important that we have the show so that we can express our ideas, our thoughts, and our strategies on how to overcome the fear of losing for this variant that is very rampant in the Philippines, and mayroong haka-haka na baka mag-total lockdown. But as of now, very dangerous nang nangyayari dahil ang dami na nagkasakit. So with that being said, bigay ko sa iyo yung aking business card. Okay? And para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ito ay isang produkto na kailangan talaga nating tangkilikin right now here in the Philippines, Mr. Charlie. Itong company ko, tagal na sa Amerika, 13 years now. And na-lockdown din ako dito sa Pilipinas since 2 years ago. So pag-lockdown ko, ang nangyari is, nagtitinda tayo ng Ardix tuna products sa Cebu. Nakabinta tayo ng milyon-milyon kasi sa daming mga nangailangan ng pagkain at saka syempre walang pagkain nung time na yon, total lockdown, walang restaurant at walang mga tindahan at walang mga paninda. So since Ardix Corporation exporting frozen products, so kaya nga itong mga products natin nandito is talagang na ibinta natin. Now, since October, nandito ako sa Manila, but November 8 exactly, inopen natin ang opportunity for the tuna business in Manila.
And just to add information, yung Ardix po ba na sinasabi yung company is based where?
Ardix is based in Jensen. So sila yung the biggest supplier ng tuna products around the world. And in fact, sila yung nag-supply sa Amerika. Yung ating Subway tuna sandwich ang nag-supply dyan, ang ating company na Ardix products sa Jensen. And then, also, with that, ngayon, 2 months na. Today is our 2nd month anniversary na pinopromote ko dito. And I'm really shocked because akala ko tuloy-tuloy na ang kagandahan na nangyari na balik na tayo sa normal. But all of a sudden, just few days ago, pala naman ay babalik na naman tayo sa tinatawag na pandemic time na very, very crucial. Dahil, again, pag mag-lockdown, unang-una, ano ang pagkakitaan ng mga Pinoy? Number 2, saan tayo kukuha ng mga pagkain, supply? So, number 3, is napaka-stressful dahil balik na naman. At ang mga Pinoy, wala tayong pera in preparation for this calamity. At wala din tayong products. Wala nga tayong freezer, wala tayong mga pagkain na natitira doon sa ating bahay. Kung hindi, we just gonna buy as the need arises. So, talagang so serious. But, with this, naisipan natin na salamat ako na nagawa tayo ng interview so that ma-forward natin itong video na ito sa lahat ng tao sa Pilipinas. Sa mga members natin, ng mga resellers, mga e-mall operators, mga nagtitinda na ng product natin, gusto kong explain sa inyo na Monday, online shopping mall, open na natin, www.chelswellness.com. And then, again, is talagang we are offering and inviting all our members to work now via online shopping or online job or work at home. Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng lalabas-labas, bawal ang lumabas, bawal ang magkasakit. So therefore, mayroon tayong mga available dito para sa ating mga kababayan.
Dahil ito po'y very timely, siguro isa-isahin na natin.
Okay, so ito, since Chelsea Wellness tayo, mayroon tayong mga pagkain para sa COVID. Number 1, para sa virus, yung ating Septilion Alkaline Water Concentrate. So yung mga tubig na iniinom natin dyan, mga acidic. Pag acidic ang katawan natin, most likely the virus can multiply and can really, really harm us. So kailangan alkaline ang ating tubig na inumin. So simple, having this, drop, and then mix it in your water, and now nakainom na kayo ng alkaline water. Kasi pwedeng hindi kayo inom ng alkaline water, pero hindi din kayo inom ng acidic water. Hindi naman pwede lahat ng bottled water ay acidic. So, we need this product, alkaline.
Doctor, most likely ay tatanong nung nanonood sa atin ngayon is for clarification. Halimbawa, isang basong tubig, ilang drops ng kakainin?
Isang basong tubig, isang drop. Pero, pag talagang nagkasakit ka, inuubos, sinisipon, big sabihin, super acidic, pwede mong inumin at ilagay mo underneath sa tank din itong product na ito. And this is,
ilalim ng tank.
This is healthy. This is not, this can be used orally, no? So, now, aside from that, we have also the famous Chels glutathione. Because pag i-research nyo sa internet, ang glutathione can also prevent very heavily in the reproduction of bacteria and multiplication of virus. So, any viruses. So, we have also the product available. And although we have this skincare product, because we want also to protect your skin, this is very good product for everybody. And also, we have this Magic Chilean product and oil. Na pag nagkasakit ka, magkukulaps ka na, at saka iba yung feeling mo, this is for external use. And this is also very powerful. And we have this product because talagang alam natin ang mga nagkakasakit, i-massage, pwede din itong gagamitin sa massage. So, anyway, you can open this product para i-regalo ko sa'yo. Okay. Now, these are all our wellness products, but we also have our products available, yung ating tuna products, and we have the embutido, we have longanisa, we have these fingers, nuggets, and tuna, ano ba to? Sisig, and we have also the bangus sisig, and we have also the boneless bangus, and of course we have pampano, we have that tuna panga, most famous tuna panga, and most of all, the amazing tuna belly. So, ito yung kakainin natin, hindi baboy muna, dahil ngayon marami nagkakasakit, bawal ang mga meat products, kasi ang meat products produce acid. Okay, and also, we have our collaboration and partnership with the Filipino Mega Producers Cooperative. May tandem tayo dahil mayroon din tayong Hugpong Federal Movement Credit Cooperative. So ang mangyayari is, nagpo-promote din tayo sa sariling product nila, mga condiments, kasi ito is partner din sa ating tuna products. And also we have the rice. Ang rice natin available na rin sa ating producers cooperative. Ang maganda ng rice natin, dahil pag binibili mo sa tindahan is 1,003, sa kanila is 1,000 lang. Dahil mayroon tayong tinatawag na promotion para sa mga member ng cooperative natin. So what we are doing here in my business trust is totally different from other company. Kasi ang other company is only selling products na talagang yung products na nagbibinta, buy and sell. In our situation, we are doing three things. We have cooperative so that we can help people. We are doing the bakas-bakas. That means we join our hands together to put our small money towards the cooperative so that the cooperative has the money para magpautang sa atin ng mga members na nangailangan ng big
So
capital.
yung bakas-bakas, join forces. No?
Yes,
Na
join
nagme-member.
forces ng mga cooperative. And in fact, ang dami na ngayon ng cooperative na tinayo namin ni Miss Miga Bawa from Cagayan Valley. Siya yung founding chairman doon. Unfortunately, hindi siya nakarating ngayon. Supposed to be nandito siya. Pero sige lang, i-launch natin ng ibang time dahil sa, of course, itong COVID na, so hindi muna lumabas. But, ang importante is mayroon tayong mga cooperatives na ginawa ngayon na we are in the process of applying our cooperative bank. So, magtayo din tayo ng cooperative bank para dito sa ating pagtulong sa stop poverty. So, kaya nga maraming programa dito para sa lahat, para ma-avail natin, hindi lang ito company na nagtitinda, hindi ito company na nagre-recruit ng members, kung hindi, ito ay ang company na tutulong sa lahat ng tao na makuha natin ang tinatawag nating financial freedom. Nawala nating problema sa financial dahil mayroon tayong way on how to make money in a simple way, but slowly but surely. So, ngayon, ang tanong, paano maging member dito para maka-avail sa programa? Number one, ang membership natin sa cooperative is 888 pesos. Sa 888 pesos, mayroon tayong ibibigay na ATM card. Okay? Mayroon tayong insurance, coverage, and of course, mayroon tayong a choice of one product sa 888, 752, panalo ka na. Or it's either Chilion or Citilion. Yan ang cooperative. At saka, member ka na sa dalawang cooperative. Sa Mega Cooperative at sa Hugpong Cooperative, sa Credit Cooperative at Product Cooperative. So magandang program to, napakaganda, hindi pa to nangyari ever since ngayon lang. But kung gusto niyo, mayroon tayong 1,888, tatlong cooperative na yon, kasama na ang marketing cooperative. And then the same product ang makukuha. Pero pinakamagandang package natin ngayon dito is the 4,999. Okay, aside from the tatlong cooperative na magsama-sama na mamimbiran ninyo, free, mayroon pa kayong online business dito sa CWIC at mayroon kayong products na worth more than 5,000 pesos. Dahil bibigyan ka namin dito condiments, bigyan ng bigas, at bigyan ng 2,500 na products na dito sa membership ko ibibigay na natin. So, pwede nang i-bypass ang 2,499 na and then kasama na itong maraming products.
How about the card?
And the good news, dahil di ba mag-close na yung mga restaurant, hindi tayo makaalis-alis, nasa bahay lang tayo. So, timing na i-launch natin ang ating negosyo sa Cariton. Ito is food cart. Ang mangyayari dito is sa labas ng bahay ninyo, wala na kayong i-rent. Hindi na kayo magtayo ng restaurant pa. Doon sa sariling kitchen ninyo, doon na ninyo lulutuin ang product. Pero doon sa labas, dito ang display ng mga products ninyo. Sa labas. So gusto niyo magtinda? Gusto niyo kumita while the lockdown is still here? Welcome, join kayo sa aming franchising sa food cart. Ang franchise cost is 12,500 pesos only. And then kayo na ang exclusive doon sa area. Hindi naman pwedeng mayroong cart dyan, mayroong cart dito, no, hindi. At least for now, one in every barangay pa. So wala pang isa because kahapon lang ito natapos and we just launched it today. So call us now and invest your money, 12,500. Mayroon na kayong negosyo, food cart, dyan sa lugar ninyo.
Ano
And
number na pwedeng tawagan?
you go to the website www.chelswellness.com or call the person who forward this video to you, no? And also the good news is mayroong pagkakitaan dahil kung sino man yung recruit ng franchise dito sa cart, mayroon akong award na ibibigay na 2,000 pesos. Okay, syempre naman, hindi ka naman magtatrabaho kung wala ka ring referral fee, no? So, yun ang napakagandang mangyayari starting tomorrow. So, today is January 8, 2022, and we just launched all our product lines available, and we also launched our franchise for our food carts. Ang timing na may pagkakitaan kayo while the lockdown or the level 3 is still going on. Wala kayong worry dahil no matter what, 3 times a day tayong kumain. At wala tayong ibang gagawin pag lockdown. Kumain ng kumain ng kumain. Ang tanong, ano ang kakainin? It must be healthy food. And ano yung ulam? It must be healthy. Hindi pwede yung acidic, dapat alkaline. But of course, hindi pwede yung karne muna. Ito lang muna ang ating kakainin, yung isda. Kasi safe and napakaganda. Tasty naman. So, export quality. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa.
And that Dr. Charles, yung po mga pinresent ni Dr. Charles Tumakin, kayang-kaya po ng bulsa o ng budget. Napakamura. Alright, so yun muna po ang initial na binibigay namin mga information na yung pong alert level 3 o kung ano mo po mga susunod na alert ay maging alerto po tayo para po tayo ay makaiwas sa anumang epekto ng virus sa ating kapaligiran.
Ang office natin is located at AA37 Conlac Building, Scout Borromeo, South Triangle, Quezon City. That's the MMA studio. Nandito rin tayo ng office. And yung call number, ibibigay lang sa nag-forward sa inyo para sigurado na matanggap kayo. Pero ang website, pwede kayong mag-visit sa website natin, www.chelswellness.com. As of now, we suspended because we are preparing for our launch, but by Monday, the website is available for all of you. So I hope that tayong lahat ay mayroong gagawin at sama, be part of our organization, our cooperatives, and of course, our company.
Very well said, Dr. Charles Tumakin. And we thank you for being part of our show.
Thank you very much.
Mendoza Exclusive. Hanggang sa susunod po na edisyon ng Charlie Mendoza Exclusive. Maraming salamat. Good day.
News, public affairs, and public service. Charlie Mendoza Exclusive. More than 3 decades in broadcast journalism here and abroad. Former Radio Patrol correspondent of ABS-CBN. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Charlie Mendoza.
The Mendoza.
Charlie Mendoza.
Charlie Mendoza.
Charlie Mendoza.
Mendoza!
Exclusive.